Welcome! In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to configure the Alpha Direct Balance Switch base station using the associated NFC app. We also want to give you a comprehensive overview of the app's range of functions. The Balance NFC app is available in the app stores. You can find a QR code that takes you directly to the appropriate app store, both in the video description and in the user manual. Please note that communication between the base station and the app takes place via near-field communication. This means you do not maintain a constant connection with the base station. Any configuration changes made in the app must be transferred to the device. The app will therefore prompt you to hold your phone against the contact surface. You will also see a visual confirmation of success in the app. After you have opened the app, you will be taken directly to the Write and Read section. This particular section is primarily focused on the basic configuration of your base station, providing you with the essential tools and options needed to get started. Additionally, within this section, you also have the option to transfer pre-configured settings to the device, which can be especially helpful if you want to apply a custom pre-configuration that you have prepared in advance. This ensures your device is set up according to your specific preferences and requirements. Let's take a closer look at the function. Right. All configuration changes can be transferred to the device here. Read. Do you want to know how the device is configured? No problem. With the Read configuration from device function, the current configuration is transferred. If you want to modify the existing configuration, you need to transfer the current one first. Share. You have created a configuration file and want to share it? Using your smartphone's standard sharing function, you can share the file with the Share Current Configuration as PDF feature. Default values. And last but not least, here you have the option to reset the configuration in the app to factory settings. Now, let's move on to the settings that are directly associated with the configuration of the base station. This is a very convenient and quick way to change the various parameters of your base station. Navigate to the configuration section. There you will find the following three functions. Room renaming. Here you can assign a unique name to your actual rooms. This makes it easier to assign actuators, and heating circuits can be clearly allocated. By clicking on the framed Room button, you provide a name to the rooms. This naming is automatically adopted for the actuator assignments. Actuator assignment. Now we assign each actuator to its respective room. Unlike a mechanical assignment, this can be done with just a few clicks. You also have the option to deactivate the cooling function for each actuator. Parameters and protection functions. Apart from actuator configuration, you can also set parameters for the secondary installation. Under the navigation item, Parameters and Protection Functions, you will find additional settings for the boiler or heat generator, pump, and valves. These parameters should only be configured or adjusted by qualified professional. To make installation and maintenance especially easy, the app includes several special functions. First Open. The First Open function opens all actuators for a duration of 10 minutes. This triggers the First Open function of the connected actuators. Follow the on-screen instructions after you have activated the function. Please note that, for technical reasons, it will take several minutes until all actuators have fully opened. After the 10 minutes have elapsed, the actuators return to their preset normal operation. Manual Open. While the First Open function allows you to open all actuators at once, the Manual Open function lets you select which actuator should be opened independently of time. This is useful, for example, if you want to service individual heating circuits regardless of system operation. This function is also very suitable for replacing individual actuators. To do this, select the desired output or actuator and activate it. Afterwards, you need to transmit the selection to the base station. To do this, press Activate Manual Open function and follow the on-screen instructions. Please note that, for technical reasons, it also takes a few minutes here for the actuators to open or close. I hope that we were able to explain the configuration of the Alpha Direct Balance Switch base station and the associated Balance NFC app to you quickly and easily. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit our service website. Thank you very much.